Welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Today we are going to do division of rational numbers. Let us learn this method of division of rational numbers. We'll try to solve this using the example. So first example is 2 by 3 division 1 by 5. We can use a small technique to solve this problem. 2 by 3 division 1 by 5, because this is one of the fraction and one of this another number. So we will use this method. So 2 by 3 into 5 by 1. So when we are taking in the form of the multiplication, this 5 will go in the numerator place and 1 will come in the denominator place. So 2 5 is a 10. 10 by 3. This is a simple technique. So second example will take 1 by 3 division 2 by 5. Here 1 by 3, one of the rational number, and 2 by 5 here will take it. The technique we are going to use here. Into 5 will go in the numerator place and 2 will come in the denominator place. So 5 by 3 to the 6. This is the answer. 5 by 6 is the answer for this. One more example. 1 by 5 division 5 by 6. So answer will come as 1 by 5 division 5 by 6. 1 by 5 keep as it is. Multiplication 6 will come in the numerator place, 5 will come in the denominator place. So 6 1 6 is 6 and 5 is 25. So 6 by 25 is the answer for this. Let us take one more example for the better understanding. 2 by 3 division 5 by 3. So 2 by 3 keep it here. Division 5 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplication. Here 3 will come up and 5 will go in the denominator place. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, 2 by 5. So this is a very small technique. We can use it to solve the division of rational numbers. Thank you. Subscribe it. Thank you.